Hello everyone, I'm Emma Jean Hilleshim, and today I'm going to be talking about my favorite Saturday Night Live castmates. Alright, number 9 on the list is Amy Poehler. She is so funny and she's such a powerhouse of a woman. Number 8 on the list would be Seth Meyers. He is so wonderful. He was the head writer at Saturday Night Live for so many years. He did such a good job at it too. Number 7 on the list is Fred Armisen. He is incredible. His improv is so good. Number 6 on the list has got to be Jason Sudeikis. I guess there's just something in his eyes that just gets me really excited. I just think I would really like him as a person. So number 5 on the list, his name is John Mulaney, and he was a writer on SNL. I dream of someday writing for SNL. Yeah, I just really look up to him as a wannabe writer. Okay, number 4 on the list is Adam Sandler. I just love every Adam Sandler movie ever. I really do. It's my guilty pleasure. I know that they're dumb. They always make me feel good after I watch them. They always make me laugh. Okay, number 3 on the list is Chris Farley. Chris Farley comes from Wisconsin. He started doing improv in Madison, and he worked his way up to SNL. Number 2 on the list is Tina Fey. Started in Chicago and worked her way to SNL and became the head writer. She inspires me to push forward and just work towards your dreams, even your dreams that just feel stupid and you don't even want to tell people. I watch her and I get so inspired to just want to keep going and keep pushing. Alright, so number 1 on the list, and I'm sure some of my fans already know the answer, Andy Samberg. Andy Samberg is a gift from God. He is the most funny, talented. He is so goofy and so funny and so wholesome. His heart is to just make people smile. Anyways, that is my top 9 favorite Saturday Night Live cast members.